going to cook sinigang pork meat and bone with eggplant and also radish. It's very delicious. I boiled it for 1 hour, guys, and so yummy, requested by my youngest daughter. So it's very delicious, as you can see, and also Chinese pichais. So the ingredients is eggplant and string beans, also Chinese pichais. I stir fry with garlic, onion, and tomatoes, the meat, which I put salt. I put Himalayan salt, like maybe 1 tablespoon, and then I stir it until the blood is gone and also it's cooked, and also 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and then I stir it, making sure the salt is into the meat. So I put this meat, a pork meat, guys, with a backbone, but it's a lot of meat because my daughter, she doesn't want fats. So now as you can see, I cover it and simmered it 20 minutes at least until the blood, I grade of the blood, and I add 1 tablespoon of beef powder stock. The beef powder stock is like a magic syrup instead like in SJ. So I put back beef powder stock, that which for the soup only. So you guys, and very delicious. So the reason I simmer it without water yet, like at least 20 minutes, so the smell is gone before I add water. So if you see the meat, guys, it's almost, the blood is gone. So subscribe, like, and leave comment. Thank you to all my subscribers, co-YouTuber, and my silent viewers. Thank you so much. And so as you can see, after that, guys, I add water. So now I open it and stir it again. So you see, guys, the blood is gone now. Then it's the time to peel off the water in the pot. So we can boil it at least 1 hour or 45 minutes until the meat is soft. So I peel up the water all over the pot. So boiling it until, so I add the vegetables, eggplant, and also Chinese pichais, string beans, and radish. So, and I boil it together, and I add tamarind soup powder, like 2 pack, and 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, white sugar or red sugar, and also the salt to taste. So now the food is ready to serve. I'm sorry, I see. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.